This is a Teac x300r recorder that I picked up on Craigslist for 50 bucks. It's in remarkable condition, as these machines are. They were built very well. But of course the belt has totally dissolved and is useless, the Capstan Belt. So I'm replacing the Capstan Belt with a new one that I got on the internet. They're available, and that's an A6100M belt, Capstan Belt. So I've looked on eBay, or on the I've looked on YouTube and found one fellow who removed the front area here to get to the capstan, and but I'm going to try a posterior approach, which seems to me might be an easier way of going about it. I don't know, we'll see. So back here in the back, I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's a bar that goes across that's held in with two screws that I'm assuming it holds the bearing for the capstan. And in order to do that, I'm going to have to remove the circuit board, I assume, or I could try without removing the circuit board. I'm going to try without circuit board removal first, just removing that bar and then having access to that. All right. Well, that little part is easily taken off. Let's look at the back side. Oh, a little bit of grease on there, so it's a little like a ball, little ball bearing there. So now I got to feed the new belt somehow around that and through. That shouldn't, I mean, it'll be difficult, but it can be done. So I'll just, I might want to change the angle. I just put the thing on the tape player up on an angle here just so it'd be a little easier to see. But I'm going to have to lay it on its top to have gravity help me get this through, I think. But you can see that'll just slide right through there, and then I'll be able to put it on the belt, or on the capstan. So I'm going to feed this through, and we'll come back. Hey, oh, it's going in just fine. And I'll just reach around from the front and pull it through. Oh man, it's just a little Chinese puzzle box here, that's all. Okay. Now you can see the belt is in the front now where I want it, and then it's got to be fed around the motor, and there's a gap there too, so I need to somehow get a, I'm trying to make it so you can see as well as get my little dental pick's got a little curve to it. That's around the capstan. And I can get my thing out of there and try running it here. There it goes. Centers itself just fine. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Now that the belt is on, I'll just turn this back around and lean it back down again. And I can just go ahead and mount this guy back there. And probably best way to do that would be, I guess, to start with one, put the screw through here, one of the screws through. I don't know, this is a little tricky. Alright, I gotta lay it on its side. I mean its top. Alright, well anyway, you get the idea. The rest is pretty easy. These are the parts I had to take off from the front so I could get to the front of the capstan, and you may notice I'm using duct tape to stick all these parts in order so that I can reassemble in the same order, that in the opposite order that I took them apart.